Hi, I'm Miss Christine and welcome to this quick piano practice session. In this video, we'll work on playing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, but in 2/4 time signature instead of the usual 4/4 time signature. This will give the piece a lighter, bouncier feel, perfect for sharpening your rhythmic control. We'll go step by step and then play along with the backing track. So grab your keyboard and let's get started. Normally, this song is played in 4/4 time, meaning 4 beats per measure. But today, we're working in 2/4 time signature, which means we only count 1, 2, 1, 2. You can think of it like a march, left, right, okay? The beat, or it's steady, okay? The rhythm is steady and simple. Let me explain what time signature really means in greater detail. So we have here the definition. A time signature indicates the number of counts in each measure. The top number, which is right here, tells the time signature how many counts each measure has. So in this case, we see 4. So we know that every measure is going to get 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4 by this top number, okay? But our song is in 2/4 time signature, okay? So just keep that in mind. And the bottom number tells you what type of note receives 1 count. We should already know from previous lessons, if not, I'll put the link here, that a quarter note gets 1 beat. So below are some frequently used time signatures. Here you see we have a 4/4 time signature, very, very common in music, so much so that you will see a letter C that represents common time. But our song, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, is in 2/4 time signature. So we're going to have 2 counts per measure, and the quarter note will get the 1 count, okay? All right, let's get to the keyboard. Okay, we're looking at the sheet music. Let's go in our hand position, middle C hand position. We know we're in 2/4 time signature, so let's count 1, 2, 1, 2. That's how we're counting. We're going to deal with this section right here at the top in the red box. 1, 2, 1, 2. G, G, D, D, E, E, D. Good. C, C, D, D, A, G, D, D. Okay, let's look at the next section. You can follow along right in the red box. Here we have above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Then it repeats, twinkle, twinkle. That's all we're going to do. Okay, let's look at the bottom section. Here you can follow along in the red box like before. And where are we? We have little star, how I wonder what you are. And that's how you should play this piece. Now we're going to try it with the backing track. Great job. Keep practicing. Try different tempos and challenge yourself. Now, don't forget I have a free piano practice guide for you to download. It's the same exact exercise that we just did in this video. So check it out and stay tuned for the next video, and I'll see you in the classroom.